Welcome, you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmeli bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. As of September 1st, Salesiani per il Sociale APS, the civil body of the Salesians of Italy that accompanies the pastoral dimension of educational hardship and poverty, has a new Director General in the person of Renato Cursi. After his 5-year experience in Brussels, where he served as Executive Secretary of Don Bosco International, the representative body to the European Union of the Salesians of Don Bosco, Renato Cursi returns to Italy to lead the Salesians for the Social Association. Before moving to Brussels, he had worked for 5 years at the Youth Ministry Department as Executive Secretary and following the international coordination of the Salesian Youth Movement. Two experiences that will be valuable for his new job at Salesians for the Social. I am happy to return to Italy, he explains, and to take on this role at Salesians for the Social. Working for the poorest and most vulnerable young people in line with Don Bosco's charism is a privilege and a responsibility. Thanks to the support of Salesian Missions, the Salesian Mission Office based in New Rochelle, United States, the first center for comprehensive treatment and rehabilitation of spinal cord injury patients, has been built in Mexico. A state-of-the-art center in its field, the facility was recently inaugurated during an event that included mass, ribbon cutting, official speeches, and an agape movement. The new treatment center for people living with spinal cord injuries was developed thanks to funding Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, received from the U.S. Agency for International Development's American Schools and Hospitals Abroad program. For young people from Colombia, a dream has come true. Due to the pandemic, they had to wait almost 3 years for the performance of Beethoven's Moves. Now the time had finally come. Together with German young people, they reinterpreted Beethoven's Fifth Symphony on September 9th and 10th with the Beethoven Orchestra Bonn under the direction of General Music Director Dirk Kaften in front of a sold-out audience at Bonn University. Moving stories of young people who grew up with violence and exclusion. Some had to live on the streets or serve as child soldiers. The Central Animation Teams of the Salesian Province of Chile, CIL, met on September 5th to inaugurate and bless the new facilities of the Provincial House. Members of the Youth Ministry, the Economist Office and the communication teams, religious and lay people, as well as service staff, met for the last time in the building at Avenida Republica 173, which historically had been the headquarters of the Central Services to close the activities. This moment was accompanied by Father Carlo Lira, CIL Provincial, his vicar, Father David Albornoz, the Provincial Economer, Father Jose Toledo, and the Delegate for Youth Ministry, Father Juan Miguel Carcamo. Afterwards, they all moved to the new provincial headquarters located on F. Libertador B. O'Higgins 2379 and 1870 building, the former parish house of the Mary Help of Christians shrined in Santiago, which had been restored and renovated to accommodate the provincial services. In the chapel, Father Rilla, during the ribbon-cutting ceremony and blessing of the rooms, invited those present to begin a new stage by looking at change through the eyes of faith, through the figure of the people of God, who were a nomadic people, constantly on the move. The inauguration concluded with a visit to the new environments and a fraternal sharing in the auditorium. On Wednesday, 7 September, Brother Sixtus Uzuma, SDP, made his perpetual profession to the Salesian Society. The occasion was celebrated at Thornley Chapel, and priests and brothers came from every community, as well as some from the Denari and some of the Thornley staff who had worked with Brother Sixtus when he helped out in the chaplaincy. Brother Sixtus is going to be working at Savio House as part of the retreat team. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.